And we're back. The sun's shining today, thank God. We're down by the pond. And we mentioned our old pool in the last video. And here it is. So, we're going to try and empty the pool today pumpless. We have a chain wrapped in it. We have a tractor attached to it. That's Susie. So we're going to give this a tug and see what happens. Here's the camera. Go uphill.
On the other side? Oh, okay. Well, I wasn't sure if you were ready. Ooh, I have no idea how this is going to go. Could be good. It could be really good.
Oh, I'm coming.
Hey? Right up the nose. Smiley, you're on camera. I'm just getting out of the way. Here we go. Now you gotta pull that up. Oh, mercy. Is it even gonna work? Oh, my Lanta. Oh, we have a rupture on the other side. Watch the tree. Oh, at least it's starting to empty. Oh no, come on, go! No, it didn't. It's too old, I guess it's just busting apart. Oh, nice tracks in the grass though, that'll be fun. You're actually behind, you gotta pull it under the tire. What is going on in this house?
Oh, you're getting so funny.
Okay, so the tractor thing not quite working out. So my son had an idea if we just had an axe. So let's see what happens. Oh, that's heavy. I don't think it's going anywhere. Dev might need somewhere to climb up on. We'll call it his island. Do what?
Is there a good side to stand on?
The side that the camera can see you. That's the good side. Those are dance boots. You got it! Yeah! Oh my gosh! Dev, watch that axe, buddy! Wow, that's a lot of water.
Boots did a good job.
Holy mackerel! Glad you wore boots.
Yeah,
They help.
oh my god.
There's some people that ask us how we came up with the name for Hillbilly Horticulture. I have no idea.
We just do things a little differently.
Because we're what?
Hillbillies! And that's the end of the set. Cool! Oh my goodness. I wonder when it's going to be.
How cold is that water? Yeah. Water cold?
Yeah.
I'm pretty impressed you managed to stay upright. Nice job. Super cold.
Well, I was about 3 inches in the mud, so.
Oh, you were cemented in. I see. I saw you do a wobble there and I'm like, oh, here he goes. This is called
Well, they say Sunday's family day. That's how we spend our Sunday. See ya.